the particle velocity. We are going to see what is particle velocity. So it is related to wave motion, and as we know, when we are considering the example of again the pond, a calm pond, and when we throw one stone, what will happen? If this is the particle where the stone is incident, it is falling on this stone A, then immediate neighbor is B, and like this C, and so on. So when the stone will hit A particle, then this particle will set into vibration. It will start moving about their mean position up and down, and it will execute a simple harmonic motion, and it will give its disturbance to the second particle. Then the second particle will set into vibration, and it will execute simple harmonic motion about its mean position. Here the particles, they are vibrating, they are at their mean position, and they are executing simple harmonic motion. Then this particle, this is the particle velocity, means it is the velocity of the simple harmonic motion of the oscillating particle about its equilibrium position. So this is the velocity of simple harmonic motion of the oscillating particle. So this is the oscillating particle, this is another oscillating particle, this is the third oscillating particle. So it is the velocity of the simple harmonic motion of the oscillating particle about its equilibrium position. Just now we saw the particle velocity. Now we are going to see the wave velocity, or another name of wave velocity is the phase velocity. So it is the velocity with which the plane of equal phase means crust or trough travels through the medium. So what is the meaning of wave velocity or phase velocity? The velocity with which the plane of equal phase, if we considering crust, then only consider the crust, and it is moving with travel through the medium. Velocity of the crust, of equal crust, travels through the medium. So let us see the equation. The equation of a plane progressive wave is given by y is equal to a sine 2 pi by lambda nu t minus x. We already saw all this in the general equation of the progressive wave. This can also be written as a sine omega t minus kx, where omega is the angular velocity, y is the displacement, and t is the time. K is propagation constant, where omega is equal to 2 pi eta. In some book they are writing n. This is the frequency, and also we know k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Now we will divide omega by k. 2 pi eta upon 2 pi by lambda is equal to, we will get eta times lambda. This is v or Vp, phase velocity. This is phase velocity. Vp denotes phase velocity. Another definition of phase velocity is as follows. This Vp represents the phase velocity or the wave velocity. Hence another definition is as follows. Hence phase velocity is the velocity with which a plane progressive wavefront travels forward and has a constant phase given by omega t minus kx. Very important. If Vp represent the phase velocity or the wave velocity, then hence phase velocity is the velocity with which a plane progressive wavefront, we are considering the plane progressive wavefront, travels in which direction? In the forward direction, and has constant phase given by omega t minus kx. Now we are going to see the group velocity. So the definition of group velocity is a group consists of a number of waves. We are considering here number of waves of different frequencies superimposed upon each other. The definition of group velocity states that a group consists of number of waves. It is a group of waves, but what is the need? How these waves are of different frequencies and they are superimposed upon each other. Then they will give you the group velocity. We will consider one example in order to understand this. For example, white light. As we know that white light consists of 7 colors. White light consists of a continuous visible wavelength spectrum ranging from about 3000 Armstrong degree in the violet to about, it is 4000 Armstrong degree in the violet to about 7000 Armstrong degree in the red region. The motion of such a pulse, if we consider this as a pulse, then the motion of such a pulse is described by its group velocity. I hope you understood the meaning of group velocity with this example. Now for monochromatic, we will consider one note over here. For monochromatic, if we are considering monochromatic wave, for monochromatic wave, their group velocity and wave velocity are very important, identical. This is applied only for monochromatic wave. When we consider monochromatic wave, in that the group velocity and wave velocity are identical. To see group velocity, we will consider one derivation, and with that derivation we will derive group velocity, expression for group velocity. Let us consider a group of waves consisting of only two components of equal amplitude and having frequencies omega 1 and omega 2. We are considering two waves. One is having frequency related to omega 1 and second is having omega 2, whereas the amplitude is equal. Omega 2 differing by a small amount and represented by the equation y1 is equal to a cos. Now we will consider cos omega 1 t minus k1 x, and y2 is equal to a cos omega 2 t minus k2 x. Till now we consider a wave equation as y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. So what is the difference between sine and cos function? If we will draw, then sine 0 is 0. The wave will start from 0 and it will move. This is the sine wave. And for cos 0 is equal to 1. This will start from here. So nothing is different, only in the where it is originating, that is different. Sine 0 is 0, and when it comes for cos 0, it will start from 1. This is for cos. So only difference is both are giving the same wave sine function, same function, wave function. So we are considering cos omega 1 t minus k1x for the first wave, and for the second wave we are considering as a cos omega 2 t minus k2x, where omega 1 by k1 and omega 2 by k2 represent their respective velocities. K is known as wave number and is given by k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, very important mathematical expression, 2 pi by lambda. Now further we will suppose that omega 1 by k1 is not equal to omega 2 by k2, that is, it is a dispersive medium. We are considering the case of a dispersive medium when omega 1 upon k1 is not equal to omega 2 upon k2. Here one correction is there. 1 upon lambda is known as wave number and k is propagation constant. Propagation constant k is related to lambda by this equation. K is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Now we will see the resultant amplitude of the two waves. The resultant amplitude is given by y is equal to y1 plus y2. We know that y1 is given by a cos omega 1 t minus k1 x plus a cos omega 2 t minus k2 x. We will take a outside. Cos omega 1 t minus k1 x plus cos omega 2 t minus k2 x. So as you can see this will give, this is nothing but 2 times a 2 times a cos omega 1 plus omega 2 upon 2 t minus k1 plus k2 upon twice x multiply by cos omega 1 minus omega 2 upon t upon 2 into t minus k1 minus k2 upon 2 into x. When you solve this, you will arrive to this equation. So this is equal to 2a cos, when you further solve this, omega t minus kx cos del omega t upon 2 minus del kx upon 2, where omega is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2 upon 2 and this k is equal to k1 plus k2 upon 2 and this del omega is equal to omega 1 minus omega 2. Here 2 is there, so no need to write over here, and del k is equal to k1 minus k2. So from this we can see that the resultant wave has two parts. The resultant wave has two parts. From part A, the wave of angular frequency omega, propagation constant k, and the velocity, which is phase velocity Vp, is equal to omega upon k. From the first part, this is the inference, this is the conclusion we can see. From the part 2, part B, a second wave of angular frequency del omega by 2 and propagation constant del k by 2 and velocity Vg is equal to del omega upon del k. This Vg is called as group velocity. It is modulated in the space and time by the second wave, which consists of a group of waves of the first type and is very slowly varying envelope of frequency del omega by 2 and propagation constant del k by 2. The modulated pattern moves with a velocity Vg is equal to del omega upon del k, and as I already told, Vg is known as the group velocity. Therefore, group velocity denoted by Vg is equal to del omega upon del k. This can be written as d omega upon dk.